Welcome back. Services got the better of host Goa on the opening day of the Group C Ranji Trophy match at Porvorim. The hosts struggled to make inroads in the services' lower order as the visitors' middle order proved a solid unit. Goa need to get a good result in this match to revive hopes of advancing to the next stage after managing 4 draws in 4 games.
It was a big day for youngster Darshan Misal, who debuted in Goa Ranji Trophy scene. But the left-arm spinner failed to pick up a single wicket. Captain Shadab Jagati also went wicketless after Services won the toss and elected to bat. Services batsmen Soumik Chatterjee and Yashpal Singh came up with fine knocks. Soumik scored a century while Yashpal is unbeaten on 92. For Goa, Saurabh Bandekar took 2 wickets, while his new ball partner Harshad Gadekar and off-spinner Amok Desai picked up 1 wicket each. Services poised to make a big total, were 284 for the loss of 4 wickets at the end of first day's play. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Leaders Dempo Sports Club scored a resounding 3-1 victory over Prayag United in the I-League at Fatorda on Saturday. The 5-time league champions demolished the big spending Kolkata club, who had opened the scoring through former Dempo goal machine Ranty Martins. Both teams were tied 1 goal each at half-time.
What a goal scorer's goal. Little touch. Left 3 of them stranded. He was the one that knew where the ball was, and what a lovely little touch. No celebration. It's still a goal though for Prayag United. Didn't celebrate. And then one man stayed in, and that man capitalised. The Branches will take the corner. Keeper comes and misses it. Goal opportunity, and it's over the bar. Half time, and the leaders are drawing with Prayag United 1-1. Carvalho on the run. Can he finish this time? Yes, he can. Peter Carvalho. Well, he missed one golden opportunity. He wasn't going to miss the second one. On the break again, though, here they come. Sueoka. Ricketts has played it. Is he onside, Lawrence? He is. Can he finish? This could finish the game. He can. Climax, Lawrence. A fitting climax. But it was a lovely chip finish.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.